YouTube, ASV here, and if you are wondering how to set up a Dlink Wi-Fi router, in this video I'm just going to show you and just going to teach you how you can easily set up a Dlink Wi-Fi router. So let's just start. First, you need to know about your router's default gateway. How you can get to that address is open your LAN status. I have Wi-Fi connected over here, so go to details and search for Internet Protocol version 4 default gateway. Here it says 192.168.0.1. Do not get surprised if you have another IP address saying 1.1 or 2.1. Just note that IP address, that is 192.168.0.1. Now we are going to set up our router, so open a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You can also use this Mozilla Firefox if you have, or you can also use your Internet Explorer. Now type that IP address in the URL bar, 192.168.0.1, and press enter. As you just press enter, you will be directly lead to the setup screen. As you can see, welcome to the Dlink easy setup wizard. Yes, this is by default option. Select your language, English, hit start. Now if you want to set it up manually, or if you want an auto detect of your internet connection, so you can easily check that, but we are going to select manual setup. Hit next. Now here, this is a very important thing that you should know about your internet connection, that is your internet connection type. You need to consult, if you don't know about the type of your internet connection, you need to consult to your internet service provider about this and get your internet connection type. It may be a static IP address or a dynamic IP, also known as DHCP. It may be triple P over Ethernet, or PPTP, or L2TP. Choose the right one. I have a dynamic IP, so I am choosing this. Then down there are wireless settings. It will ask you to give it a name. I'll be leaving it the same, Dlink. Now security mode, this is also important thing for your wireless network. Do not give it always opt for give it a password. It says auto WPA or WPA2. It will be automatically choosing either WPA or WPA2, but you can configure it later on after you have set up your router in wireless settings. So don't worry about that right now. Give it a simple password, whatever you want to give it. Let me give it. Okay, then click next. Now here it is asking to set another password. Do note that this password is for your router. Whenever you type this URL 192.168.0.1, it will ask you to give it to enter username and a password. This password will be used at that time. So give your router a password. Hit next. Select a time zone. Hit next. Now it says the settings are being saved and are taking effect. So what it is doing right now is it is saving your settings and rebooting the router. So wait till we are not late to another page. I need to connect with. Now it says a message is popped up here. It says easy setup complete. Now you can see the basic information that you have entered: your internet connection type, status connected, your wireless network name, security, and your network key too. It says encryption status and your device info. This is what I was telling about few seconds ago about your router's username and password. Your default username is admin and password is 6999663 that I have said right now. Now if you want to active this my Dlink service, you can easily do that. I'm just not going through that right now. Just it says save my network settings. If you want to save network settings as a file, it will be downloaded here. Otherwise just hit save, and it will again reboot your router. Now people, you might be wondering that how this page is loaded. So let me tell you. I My location is India right now, and I'm using Reliance broadband. So it's a necessary thing that if you are not logged into this, you need to log in. So let me just log into this page, and we'll be checking that we are connected to internet or not. So yes, I am able to log into this site. Check Google. Yes, it is working, as you can see. So we have set up our router and it is working right now.